In this video, I'll show you how to change your Minecraft username. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. Please do watch this video right until the end so you know all the steps needed, as I'm sort of telling you important information throughout the whole guide. And without any further ado, let's go and get into this video. I'm now on my desktop, and as you can see, I've got the Minecraft launcher open. Now, just a quick note, you can do this on Mac or Windows as well. So the first thing to note is we can't go and change our username in the Minecraft launcher. It's not in any of there, and it's not in the settings as well. So you're probably wondering, how do we go and do this? Well, to do this, we're going to have to go into our browser, and I'll be showing you the next step. So I'm personally using Google Chrome, so I'm going to go and open it up now, and I'm using Google as my search engine, but you can use any search engine you would like. Then all you want to do is search for Minecraft like so, and then go and Google it or search it, and here we are. You want to make sure you come to minecraft.net. So once you're on minecraft.net, then all you need to do is go to the top right where you've got these two options here, login and redeem. So go and click on login, and then it's going to take you here to a login, and you can go and enter your email and your password. It's all remembered my email, which is easy, and then I'm going to go and click login. So it's going to take a minute to load, and you may get a few pop-ups about moving over to a Microsoft account if you haven't already done so, but this will probably be in the future as well. Then on the left-hand panel, you've got a list here, and you want to make sure you've selected profile, and once you have, then you want to scroll down. Scroll right to the bottom where it says profile information, and as you can see here, it says your profile name, and this is my current username. So if you want to go and change it, all you need to do is go and click on change, and here we go. As you can see, your profile name is a name displayed in game to let other players know who you are, and you can only change it once every 30 days, which is really important to note. Hopefully I did mention this earlier in the video as well, but essentially you can't just sort of quickly change it every hour or so. You've got to wait those 30 days. So all you want to do is type in your new name, and it's going to say if it already exists, like this name does. But if it doesn't already exist, then you can go and click change profile name, and it's going to go and update it. Honestly guys, it's that easy. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.